Saving with Shay. I'm here. Excuse this glare because it's going to drive me crazy. That's the light of Jesus shining on me. But listen, if you are new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay with the pow pow. You can't really see him. Definitely take a second to subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button. Support your girl. So listen, don't ask me where this excitement is coming from because I need 18 offers for $5. It's not going to happen. For the larger one, I'm not even halfway through that, so that's definitely not gonna happen. Let me know in the comments, how y'all doing? Are you guys okay? Like, are you guys hitting your bonus? Are you gonna hit this larger bonus? Because I'm not gonna hit it. But let me give a real big shout out. I'll pop up the person right here who used my referral link. Listen, I haven't got a referral in months, y'all. Months and months and months. So I did not think I was gonna get one, but I had decided if I did get one, I would donate the turkey. So, since I got one, I'm going to donate the turkey. So, I'm going to try to hold off on it as long as I possibly can. Okay, so Amy hit me up, this new app, Be Frugal. A few of you guys have hit me up about it as well. Listen, y'all, whenever I share an app, I have to try it out first for at least a month, or at least until I cash out. I honestly want to be able to see what customer service is like, because I think with these apps, that's the biggest thing. Like, how are you going to handle me? Like, are you going to, you know what I mean? And so that's kind of what I was doing. I was waiting to see how I like the app first before I share it with y'all, right? Because as y'all know, it's a sister app. We already have enough sisters. Like, can we get a brother? Can we get a cousin? Like, can we get a niece or nephew? Like, no, this is not even a sister app. It's a sister app, but it's a second, third sister. That's what it is. Because this app, me and Amy been going back and forth these last few days, y'all. It's been giving me such a headache. And it's like, I don't know how much I'm going to use this app, but we do have enough sisters. This is the sister that you only see on holidays. So I don't know how much I'm going to use this sister, but between the other sisters, the other 6 sisters, I don't know. But let me know how you guys liking it. Those of you who tried it out in the comments. I did try it for 3 deals. Only one of those deals worked out. So 1 out of 3 is not good. It's not good. So, but yeah, I'll probably get more into that in the future. So with that being said, we're going to head to Walmart. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab. If you want to see what you got, you already know what to do. Hit the like button and keep on watching. First things first is on the Rockstar deal. We've been doing this deal, all right? And when they cheap, while they cheap, we gonna keep doing this deal. So we're grabbing 2 of them priced at $188. You'll pay $376. Getting back 2 on checkoff 51, and then another 2 on ta-da brings it down to a 24-cent money maker. Right, so I'm only gonna mention the body armor flash because I did this in my last haul. I did Walmart rewards as well as Ibotta, and I had to put a ticket in for Ibotta because it was no longer on my list, and so I didn't want to add it because I didn't know if I was going to get credit for it. And then as far as Walmart rewards, I didn't get credit for that, so I took that back. And so these are priced at, well, I got the orange one, which is priced at $2.28. Got back $2 on Ibotta. It was a limit of 5, making them only 28 cents each. This next deal is on the McCormick brown gravy. It's priced at 97 cents. We're getting back $1.29 on Ibotta, making it a 32-cent money maker. So next up is the Baker's Joy. These are in the wrong spot there. They should be over here on this side. They're priced at $3.50. Now for this, we don't have the offer on checkout 51 anymore. And so we're going to be grabbing 2 of them. We'll be using one of these dollar off of 2 coupons here. So you'll end up paying a total of $6, and then you'll get back $3 for each on the sister apps, making them absolutely free. Right, so we're grabbing the Pringles again original. This is a Flavor Wiki offer. So we're going to grab 1 at $2, get back 4, making this a $2 money maker. So this is another Flavor Wiki offer. It popped up on both my account as well as Joseph's on the Flamin' Hot Crunchy Cheetos price at $4.43. We're getting back $6.50 on Flavor Wiki. It's gonna make this a $2.07. So this next deal I decided to grab again. This is like the third time I've done this deal. On the Ocean Spray Zero Sugar, it's priced on my back for $3.28. For this, grabbing two of them, you'll pay $6.56, getting back $1 for each on checkout 51, and then we'll get back $4 on Swagbucks, making them only 28 cents each. And of course, I've been maxing out and grabbing 4. And yeah, same old on the Pure Leaf price at $3.38, $1.50 back on checkout 51, $1.50 back on one of the sister apps, makes it only 38 cents. What you see? I don't see nothing either, because I came here yesterday and I got them all. I posted this about the Mamba Chews on my community post. I wasn't doing a video, but listen, a lot of us was having crazy issues with this deal that I didn't want to make more of us have issues with it. And so it's on the Mamba Chews. It is no longer valid anymore. But for this, I went ahead and I grabbed a total of 4 of them. Now I grabbed every single one they had. They only had 7, so yes, your girl scanned one of them twice. So grabbing 4 of them, I paid $7.92, got back 24 on Swagbucks. Making all 4 free plus a $16.08 money maker. And I also did for Easy Bucks as well. And so it made this a really awesome. I wish I would have did it more, but I was just like, look, I don't even know if I'm gonna get paid. It was going into review. People was getting rejected left to right. And so I didn't want to have to return a bunch of candy. And so, all right, y'all. So listen, this deal here is on the Fabuloso. This is a field agent deal. For this, you have to grab the green one, which is the fresh winter mint one. And you have to grab the wild winter berries. They're priced at $3.97 for this. The offer on Field Agent is getting back $2, so it'll make this a $2 moneymaker. And I went ahead and grabbed both of them. I did this deal yesterday. I was hoping that it was going to hang around long enough for me to come here and do it, because I wanted to try, because I saw Miss Danielle and I saw some other people getting the 20 minis. It didn't work for me with Swagbucks, so I said, you know what, I'm gonna try again. So I did set with this one first, which is why they don't have any, because I got them all. They're priced at $5. So for that, you were grabbing a total of 4 of them. You'd pay 20, and then you'd get back 20 on Swagbucks, so make them all free. The second time I said, okay, well, they only had 1 of these left. So I said, I'm going to try this one for $5. And then I grabbed 3 of these, but I made sure to scan this one here first. And then I scanned the 3 of these at $4.28. So the total for that came to $17.84. And then I did get back the 20 on Easy Bucks. I made them all free plus a $2.16 moneymaker. Yeah. It is what it is. It be what it be. It's gonna do what it do. Listen, of course we're grabbing this deal because it's it's a no-brainer. All right, it's a no-brainer. So it's on the Arm & Hammer toothpaste. Now I went ahead and grabbed 1 for Walmart Rewards. Got back 2 on Checkout 51, 2 on one of the sister apps, making that a $2.02 moneymaker. I went ahead and grabbed a set of 3 for Ibotta. Use a $2 printable. From coupons.com. You'll pay $1.98 to get back 2 on Ibotta. Again, I got 3. Making all of them free plus a 6-cent moneymaker. Guys, so here is my complete haul for today. So listen, I did do quite a bit of Field Agent. I just did the, well, I did 2 buy and tries for the Fabuloso, and then I did a total of 13 of the shelf view, where you just take pictures. I think the first, I did 11. I think I did like 3 at Walmart, 3 at Target. I think I did 3 at Food for Less, 1 at Vons. I try to group as many of them together as I can, and I just keep refreshing until I get enough at one store, so that I'm not just going to one store for just one. But I did 11 on the first, and I did 2 today, plus the 2 buy and tries. So for Field Agent, I had $52.94, which was pretty awesome. Now, I did mention in the intro that I am trying out Be Frugal. I did the Mambas, the Baker's Joy, and the Ocean Spray. I did those 3 deals. Ocean Spray, Now, for starters, on that app, it only has a max limit of 3. So when you're trying to add the items to 4, it only goes to 3. So I was thinking I was only going to get credit for 3. But I did get credit for 4 for the ocean spray. Now the Baker's Joy, it looks like I'm getting credit for 2 or for 1, but I didn't get credit for it yet, so I don't know. I'm gonna wait the 7 days and put a ticket in, because you have to wait 7 days before you can put a support ticket in, which I think is stupid. And then the Mambas, that one was rejected. I had it manually reviewed. It was rejected. I did it again, and it looks like I'm getting credit for a set of 2 rather than 4. So I don't know. Basically, out of those 3 deals that I did, the only one that I got credit for was the ocean spray. The other ones, it looks like I'm getting credit for it, or I've been giving credit for it, but based on my balance of points, I haven't. So yeah, that app is not working out too good in my opinion. Let me know in the comments for those of you who have tried it out. I know Amy's having similar issues as I am. And at this point, I just want to just cash out and be done with it. But I'm really trying to give them the benefit of the doubt and give them more time to get things together. But yeah, so that was what I wanted to mention as far as be frugal. All right, so I did do a deal at CVS. I had $10 Care Pass expiring. I did Colgate and Crest. I'll pop that deal up. It was decent with the Care Pass. It was a small money maker. Also did the Old Spice at Dollar Tree again. I had a ton of receipts, a ton. Everything you see here retails $173.26. We had $20 in coupons. That was the digitals at CVS, the Care Pass, and the printables for the Arm & Hammer. And then I had one for something else, the Baker's Joy. Brought the out-of-pocket down to $153.26, and then getting back $52.94 from Field Agent. Easy Bucks and Swagbucks, both $52. Be Frugal should be $42.77. Ibotta is $20. Flavor Wiki, $17. Checkout 51 is $4. And it rejected the toothpaste, saying that I've already deemed my max amount of redemptions. Whenever I get that, I just put a ticket in, they give me credit. So I'm still waiting for $2 for that, but I did get back the $2 for the Rockstar. And I haven't submitted this receipt for Tada yet, and $4 on Tada. Walmart Rewards was $2. And last but not least, we got $8 back in extra care bucks for the mouthwash. So getting back a total of $254.71 makes everything you see here free, plus a $101.45 moneymaker, you guys, which is so freaking awesome. This worked out really, really good. I'm hoping that the Be Frugal works out. I just don't like how if a item is rejected, how you still have to wait 7 days to put a ticket in. The layout is not the same as the other sisters. That's why I said it's like an extended sister. Hell, it might not even be a sister. It might really be a brother. Yeah, I'm just gonna say it's a brother, because he ain't acting like the sisters. He wasn't raised with the sisters. So he's a brother. And so hopefully it works out. Hopefully I can contact support. Hopefully they give me the points. I've got my screenshots. And if not, then the Baker's Joy will be going back. And the Mambas, it looks like they're giving me credit for 2, but if I might just eat the loss. Well, literally, I don't know, because I have a gazillion bags, so I might just be petty and take it back. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I want to see, let's see like a cheetah or a panther emoji in the comment if you make it to the end. As always, I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.